Hey, today we're over at the Seal Beach project and we're installing some appliances with really cool special features, such as like the dishwasher actually has a red light that shines on the ground that shows you that it's on because it's so quiet you can't tell. The other thing is the custom sink that's been installed has a really cool foldable up drying rack that fits right into the sink, and it rolls up if you don't need it, and then it rolls back down when you actually want to use it. The other thing is anytime you install a gas appliance in someone's home, you should be checking for raw gas leaks. So I've got a gas sniffer that goes around all the gas lines and checks to make sure that we don't have any leaking gas byproducts coming into the house. Why don't we go inside, take a look at what our progress of this kitchen remodel is, and we'll show you how all these special features that we have. Let me show you what we're actually doing. We're installing the gas stove top. Let me show you the process. We dropped it in. We hooked up our gas line. I checked it with a gas sniffer to make sure we had no leaks. And then we're installing these clips. As you can see my technician putting in. Then the clips to hold it stationary once it's sitting in the countertop. But checking for gas leaks is most important. So let me show you how we do that. You can hear the ticking going on, but what we do is we check 360 degrees. And if this thing starts screaming, then we know we have a gas leak. It's critical that whenever you hook up a gas appliance, that you do no harm to the occupants that are going to be using the gas appliance itself. So if we had a gas leak down here and it started accumulating underneath here, it would create maybe a little bomb if something went wrong. And we don't want any small explosions.
Excuse me.
So that's why we check it. Okay, everything's good on the gas. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen. Remember before, if you watched the previous videos, we had some old school original cabinet doors and drawers. And you can see now we stuck on some shaker style doors and drawers. Let me open up one for you real quick here. It's nice. We got some nice self-closing bloom hinges. If you watch the action of those. Soft, quiet close. We got brand new Calcutta quartz countertop with a little bit of grain texture in there. Looks very beautiful. Brand new LK sink. What's nice about this sink, it comes with this fold up mat, which is really nice. It also comes with a cutting block. Comes with this nice little wire mesh down at the bottom. And one of the best things about the sink is that the garbage disposal drainage is over here in the back corner, so it's very easy to wash everything down right to that one corner. We also have a nice LK faucet along with their soap dispenser and then the aerator for the disposal and dishwasher. Now, speaking of the dishwasher, this is a Bosch, which is really nice, super quiet when it runs. And most of my clients that get the Bosch dishwashers say they're pretty much the best running dishwasher they've owned. So now let's focus on the tile backsplash. As you can see, that's a Subway style, 3-inch by 6-inch. Very nice job done on the tile. We have a brand new stovetop drop-in, and what's nice about this is when you turn one of these on to try to light it, it turns red, and then all the other ones also light up, letting you know that the stove is actually on. Pretty cool feature on that. They got a new GE microwave, and the most common things with microwaves is most of the time they are recirculating. They don't direct a vent to the outside. So let me show you what we did on that. We actually got it to vent to the outside. That's a proper way to do any type of vent hood, whether it's a microwave or just a range vent hood. We'll come back over to the double oven, which is also a GE. This is an existing product, so we didn't touch it. But it is nice. What's really nice about it is it's actually Wi-Fi connectable, which the owners just found out a couple weeks ago. It's probably been in here for several years. Now the refrigerator was kind of a difficult situation to get back in because we forgot that this island here, the island is just a little bit too big for the refrigerator to fit in past the oven and the handles, and then the handles and the overlap of the countertop. So on the refrigerator, we had to take basically all the doors off. The bottom freezer drawer we took out, and the doors, so we can get it down to 29 inches to fit past everything inside the kitchen. It wasn't as bad as it seemed. It went pretty smoothly, actually. So we'll come over here to the walk-in pantry, and that's a very nice look now. If you look at the before pictures, there's lots of gaps between the doors, and now you can see there's hardly any gaps at all. Very thin, probably 1/8 inch gaps on those doors. Let me show you what I mean. So when you get close in on these doors, this gap right here, very subtle. You don't recognize it. But before, it probably was a good inch or more gap on there. Another thing we did is this island countertop has been replaced. Before it used to be a green granite. Now again, it's the same quartz Calcutta style. Very beautiful, really nice and light and airy. Gives a really new, good look to the kitchen. Another thing that we did, before they had they had vertical beadboard down on this island, and what we did is we put in a horizontal siding material on the island. We also, there used to be 2 doors on here, and we replaced them with 2 pull-out drawers. Everything came out really nice and beautiful in this kitchen. Well, that's pretty much it on this kitchen remodel that we did in the city of Seal Beach. Clients are very happy. They're so happy that they want us to paint the rest of their interior of their house for them. So we'll show you that as the next phase as we move on with this project.